Okay, welcome to Greensboro, North Carolina. We're getting ready to taxi the Bonanza over for an oil change. I'll get out of the way here. My buddy Mark over there working on his RV, I guess. But we're gonna taxi this one over. My headsets are in the other plane over at Corey. So hopefully he's got a set of headsets in here. Otherwise I'll have to walk back to his hangar and find a set. Or if I can use the external microphone. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take off the pitot tube cover. Gonna take off the two engine covers. All right, the little cow plugs. All right, walk around. Here we go. Oh my goodness, there's a little cover thing in there. But anyways, all right. Oh, we do have some headsets back here. Here's what we're gonna do. I don't know what he's been doing back here. Anyways, let's look at, let's see if he has his headset's already plugged in. So we'll just use those. All right, I'm gonna get any cooties on them, but bare minimum, I don't have, we don't really need to do a thorough pre-flight since we're just taxiing the airplane over. All the big pieces are here. But the bare minimum I'm always gonna do no matter what. If I'm gonna start this thing, I'm gonna check the oil. You gotta check the oil. We'll kick that chock out. Kick this chock out. We're gonna open the hood cowling. I'm gonna lean against it. And here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna check the oil. We got 10 quarts. Ooh, it is a little black. So yeah, it's time to change it. He's got mineral oil in here, so it needs to be changed to regular oil. So let's get over here, get this thing cranked. All right, and get it taxied over to Signature. I mean to Corey. All right. If I can get set the camera down. All right, sorry about that. Shut the door. All right, gotta get the battery on. Alternator's on. Beacon is already on. All right, shove the mixer forward. Gotta set the camera down again just for a second. Sorry, get my headset out of the way. All right, we're waiting for the screen to come up. As soon as it comes up, I can prime it and start it. Everything's forward. Here comes the screen. There's the engine instruments. All right. So we're gonna watch. We're gonna prime it until it peaks, and then when we crank it, we're gonna watch for the oil pressure come up. So here goes the fuel flow. Till it peaks, go off, throttle back, crack it a little bit, and then we're gonna crank it clear. Nobody's out there. Oil pressure come up right away. All right, we're gonna get our avionics on. All right, I'm gonna put on my headset. Sorry. All right. We'll wait till everything boots up. All right. speaker turned on. I don't know if it's playing. We'll know when I play this back. I got my headphones on, so I can't hear. Hey, we're watching our oil temperatures coming up. I'll actually cycle the prop just to get some of that old thick oil out of the prop. I don't hear a speaker working. Oil temperature's good. Alright, we're gonna shut it down. That's it for now.